Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a nail file. It's a glass nail file set and I don't know how to pronounce the name, but I'm going to say Senignol. Senignol? I don't know. But this really surprised me. I was expecting to get like one file and a buffer. That's what I thought I was getting. But it actually comes with 6 glass files. Let me get them in frame. There we go. 6 glass files and 2 of the nail buffers. This was an amazing deal. I think it was like $10. I'll leave a link for it down below. I got these off of Amazon. I will have a link for them. Now the thing I love the most is that they all have this heavy duty case. Now I've had glass files before and I put them in my purse because I do prefer a glass file in case I'm out and about and I have a snag or something I need to take care of. But I have broken several of them because they would be in the soft pouches. I love having a heavy duty case for it. You just pop it open and it slides out. And they've got their logo on the handle. And they're a nice size file. Love, love, love that. And I am going to do a filing demonstration today. But I just wanted to, show you the packaging and everything first. So it came in this nice little box. Everything fit in there like perfectly and snug, so nothing was bumping around while it was getting shipped. And totally highly approved. Now the thing I loved about this is there's so many. I can have glass files everywhere. One on my work desk, home desk, my manicure table, in my purse, in the car. I can have these things everywhere. But if you're, if you live with a bunch of other people, I love that, everybody could have their own color. You could have the pink one, somebody else could have the green one, Daddy could have the blue one. So I really think that that's just awesome. So I'm going to get ready to do some filing and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to roll through. Now I'm not shaving a whole lot or filing a whole lot off of these today because I just did some major filing last weekend. But look how much stuff comes off of that. I mean, that's why I love a glass file. Now, I know that a lot of you are probably thinking, oh, you're going back and forth, you're sawing. Yep, I've talked to some of my for real Nailtech friends that they've gone to school for this, and as long as you're using a lower grit file, a glass file, or even like, a real soft grit buffing file, you can do the sawing back and forth. It's okay on natural nails. It's just when you get into the heavier grits that you definitely don't want to do that. So normally when I do my filing, I normally take care of the end first, try to straighten it up. And that sound is a sound my husband cannot stand. So we definitely do that when he's not around. But I normally go across the edge, and I normally do a couple of swipes on the side, just because I get such a hard C-curve that if I don't do that, occasionally, I don't do it every time I file my nails, if I don't do it, they get so tight that they hurt. So I definitely do that. As you can see, I've got like a line there. If you can see it real well. But I just do that for my comfort. And then I kind of round out the sharp edges. I don't like them being too sharp, too hard on. But I am really loving this. Look how much comes off of it. It just, oh. Sorry, I broke my pattern. I normally do the end first. And I used to always, when I did my filing, I always left my manicure on, my polish, because I knew I was a sawer, and I felt like having that extra polish added some strength for moving that nail and whatever. But now that I've gotten confirmation from some of my nail tech friends that this is okay, I'm pretty happy about it. I wish I could be a one direction file person like this, but it just didn't feel natural to me. And if you have trained yourself to do it one direction, awesome. I am so proud of you because I was never able to change my bad ways. I mean, I've done it. I'm not going to say I've never done it, but it just takes so much more concentration for me to get into that, to doing it this way. I just am not good at it. And I don't know about y'all, but my hands get to cramping when I hold my hand like that for too long. Maybe it's just old lady syndrome, I don't know. But like I said, I'm not going to file too much off. I'm just kind of straightening out the ends and the sides a little bit. Mostly because I wanted to try these out and be able to give you my thoughts on it. So definitely got to straighten out that one. So you can see it makes a little bit of a mess. Now, a lot of times with these files, like if you're really taking back a lot, like if you know, you're like me and you don't clip your nails, you file them back. Like when you got to file them way back. I normally keep a cup of water and I'll dip my file down in the water, and it kind of makes it not so powdery and fly away mess. And I find that works really good for me. And it doesn't hurt the file at all. And you can also wash these files, which I really like that too. I really do. And I'm really liking this. This is a really good deal here. So, like I said, I got these off of Amazon. Excellent deal on them. I will leave a link down below to where you can find them if you're interested. I think with them coming in a package like that with so many, that, you know, if you're like me and you like to kind of get a jump on your Christmas shopping, they're good to kind of tuck back for stocking stuffers or something. You know, even my daddy uses glass files now. I mean, that's so funny because at first he didn't quite get it. He always used emery boards, and then my mom picked up a glass file and she loved it, and then he started using it. And she's like, "Oh, no, you got to use your own file. You don't be using my file." And so she had to go buy him his own. So, you know, this is not just for the ladies. This is for men. Anybody that's going to file their nails. So, that is it for me today. I hope y'all enjoyed this little demo and product review. And that is it for me today. So, until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.